Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing one of my favorite things, setting up a brand new Field Notes notebook. But not just any notebook, this one's going to be my catch-all. The notebook I carry everywhere, the one I reach for when I have a thought I don't want to lose. A prayer to write down, a to-do list forming in my head, or just space I need to fill. So in this video, we'll choose which field notes I'm using, set up the front page together, and I'll walk you through all the ways I personalize it, from DIY bookmarks and washi tapes to sectioning rituals and little hacks that make it feel like mine. So first up, let's pick the notebook. They're all field notes, and honestly, I love them all for different reasons. Some I save, some I use for specific themes. But for this one, the one I'll carry with me daily, I've decided to go with the Zion National Park Edition. It has this earth-warm cover that just feels grounded, rooted, like a reminder to stay present, which is what this notebook is really about. I always start the same way with the front page ritual. I write my name and contact information, the start date, a short list of current goals or intentions, and always a Bible verse that speaks to this season of life. Today's is Be still and know that I am God. Psalm chapter 46 verse 10. Sometimes I give the notebook a title too, and this one, the catch-all. It's a small thing, but it sets the tone. It reminds me that this is more than just a paper. This is a space for real life to land. To help it hold up over time, I reinforce the spine and corners with clear packing tape. If you've used field notes before, you know they wear fast, especially if they live in your back pocket or bag. The packing tape adds just enough protection without the bulk. You can also use a craft tape or decorate the edge with stickers, stamps, or ink if you like a more worn-in look. I also add a little symbol system on the back page or inside cover. This helped me keep things semi-organized without making it a full bullet journal. My usual system looks like a bullet point for an idea, an empty box for a task or to-do list, an arrow inside the box for moving it to the next day, filled up box for completed, and an exclamation point for remember me. It makes flipping through way easier, especially weeks later when you're trying to find that one page. Here's a tip I love. I loop a string of washi tape around my pen or clip, so it's always with me. When I want to flag a page, I just unloop, tear off a piece, and stick it right on the edge of the page. It's done and easy. You can always use washi to color code sections, create a makeshift tabs, tape over mistakes, or add visual styles without much effort. A few small strips go a long way, and the washi becomes part of your everyday carry. For quick access, I add DIY thread bookmark. Sometimes I'll use embroidery thread, a ribbon, or even a hoodie string. Just tape it into the back and you've got a built-in marker. You can add more than one if you're tracking multiple sections. journal entries, to dos, or favorite pages. It's simple, lightweight, and feels like a quiet analog upgrade. Now that the main setup is done, I add a few functional touches to make my notebook more useful day to day. First, I tape an index card to the back cover, sealing three sides with packing tape. This creates a pocket where I can easily tuck in receipts, gift cards, stickers, a folded up to do list, or quote card. It's super handy and barely takes up space, and it turns your notebook into a mini organizer. And then I add a few sticky notes inside the front cover, and I use this for quick errands, temporary notes, or things I might want to move around without writing directly on a page. And finally, once all this stuff starts to build up inside, I use a simple garter or elastic band to keep the notebook closed, whether it's a thick rubber band, an old hair tie, or a fabric elastic. It helps keep everything snug even when the notebook gets chunky. Especially useful once pages get dog-eared and you've got receipts and stickies bulging out. This tiny elastic keeps it compact, portable, and looking clean. So this is it, the start of my next catch-all notebook. It's not meant to be perfect, just personal. These field notes will hold all the messy, honest, and in-between parts of my life. A place to write things I'd otherwise forget and maybe rediscover later. If you get a field notes waiting to be filled, this is your sign to start. Set it up your way, make it useful, make it beautiful, and make it true. Let me know in the comments which notebook you're using, or if you're starting your own catch-all. And as always, thanks for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep writing what matters. Stay curious, stay kind, and keep thinking out of the box.